quickly reformat structured content by importing CSS formatting rules to an EDD and applying it to templates. When creating your structured document, first ensure you have selected the XML structured workspace. Here is a document with the chosen template. We can see that the title is styled, but the rest of the content, including the short description, just appears as a generic paragraph. Let's look at the EDD document that determines the style and structure of the document. We can see that title is the only element with styles applied. Here is the CSS file we can import into our EDD to change the styling of our memo document. This means that anyone comfortable with CSS can now create format instructions to be applied to FrameMaker documents and directly change their look and feel. Let's switch back to our EDD. Here are the original styling rules. To import a CSS file into the EDD, go to Structure, Import CSS Styles, and locate the file to import. As you can see, the CSS styles have been successfully imported, and the CSS changes have been made. Let's import the new EDD to apply the changes to our help topic document. We can see that the short description element is now blue and indented. If you have questions or would like a personalized demo, please write to us at techcom@adobe.com.